Hi friends, welcome to my new video. Here I'm discussing about how to create a new slide in Keynotes using Programmatically. So I'm using AppleScript for that. So what is the use case of this is whenever we are creating a presentation, the data will be repeating. For example, if you want to do a sales forecast for November and for the same format and pattern will be same, but the data what is showing it in the each slide will be different. So in that case, you don't want to do is manually every time. You can do the programmatically this activity. So I'm doing this Apple script for that. Apple script is very simple and handy, so we can get the tutorials from Gemini or ChatGPT. I created the script using Gemini. So what it's doing is it's reading the content from the CSV file and setting the slides accordingly. So you can see the CSV file I'm reading it from the file prompt, and once it's reading, I'm processing those data in this loop. And once we have this data, I'm telling the application as KeyNote, and each slide, each data from 1 to 10, I'm running over here. So it's like how many data is there, how that many records will come appear here. So and each even in all this repeat loop, everything is writing into the slide, and also adding a CTA slide. So it is just like adding a follow for more details. So how first I will show you how the CSV looks like. So the CSV file, so this is, I just created one new slide for KEEM exam. So you can see the data is, I just added like the number, and this is the title, and the third value is the subtitle. Okay, so once we have this data is available, I will save it as a CSV file, and then I will start running it here. So before doing it, you can make it the slide available, because it is making the making the correction or customization on whichever is already opened the slide. So to make this changes onto this already opened Keynote, we can go here and run this Apple script. Okay, so this first time it will ask which CSV file I need to pick it up. So I selected this scheme one, and then I start choose. So you can see the data is start populating here. Okay, so I already given 7 entries. So these all 7 entries I can see in the Keynote. So this to make it in the YouTube Shorts or Reels format, I kept that format as 9:16. So this you need to do before running the script. So I can just now I can start just minimum customization and make it available for the shorts. Okay, so now I can play it and see that how it's look like. Okay, so the data is changing, so the format is keep same as. Okay, so also you can do lots of customization over here. So if you want to do a magic mouse animation, you can add the effect here. Okay, similarly you can do that. So this will show that the next slide will be coming automatically after that. Okay, so this will give you a animated animation effect. So this the Keynote is available in all the MacBook, so you can use that. Is very interesting presentation. It is much more better than the PowerPoint, and you don't need to pay anything for an extra software for the presentation software. So this once you have this, I usually do file export to movie, and then I will set the resolution as 1080 and frame rate this one, and then save it. Okay, so once it is saved, I can do using Wondershare, Filmora, or CapCut, wherever I want to do, and making that is ready to upload into YouTube.